Hi guys, today's lesson is Module 3, Lesson 2, Real World Positive and Negative Numbers. Today's lesson is going to go through looking at sentences or statements, phrases that have words with an integer involved, and you have to decide if there needs to be a negative sign or positive sign attached to that integer number. So I made a T-chart for you that says words that mean positive on the left column and words that mean negative on the right column. I'm going to give you a list of words and explain why they are a negative or positive connotated word, and then we'll practice. So, one word you may hear a lot is receive. Receive is a positive word because it means you are getting something. Someone is giving something to you. So that is a positive word. Another word is deposit. To deposit money into the bank means you are putting money into your bank account. You're adding to it. So that's a positive number. Also, credited. So sometimes when you go to a store and you buy something and then you return it, they're unable to give you your money back because you bought it on a credit card. But they say we can credit your account. That means they're giving your money back to you. So again, you're getting money back. So that is a positive number. Another one you might hear is gain. To gain means you're getting something. They're giving it to you. So it's a positive number. When you're talking about elevation, you might hear the word above. And I'm even going to write elevation next to it. It's talking about how high something is. Above would be a positive number. Okay? Let's go to the negative word side. You have withdraw. When I go to the ATM and I withdraw money, I'm taking money out of my account. So I am taking something away. Think of the word take in that statement. I'm taking something away. So to take is a negative number or a negative word. Charge. This one's tricky because you hear charge, you think credited, okay, it's a positive number, but no, it's not. To charge means, when you when you charge something on your credit card, you are taking money from your credit card account. So again, take away, the take away sign, negative number. Debit. Debit is used a lot when you're talking about banking. Anybody who has an ATM card can use credit or debit. When you use debit, that is taking money from your account, directly out of your account to pay whatever you're buying. So when it's taking away, that also is a negative number. Loss. To lose something is a negative thing. So right there, that's a negative connotative word. Thinking about above, the opposite of above is below. That's also talking about elevation. Elevation. Okay? Now, there's obviously a lot more, and we will go through those as we go through this module. I just wanted to give you guys a good head start on these words, and we'll add to them later. Now, I'm going to give you some examples of what your lesson's going to look like today. So let's see. Maybe I'm going to say a gain of 46 yards. Okay, so here's what I do when I do this module. When I see a gain of 46 yards, the first thing I do is I put brackets around the word that tells me, that describes if it's going to be positive or negative. So for me, that is the word gain. So I put brackets around it to make myself pay attention to that one word. Now gain, thinking about it, paying attention to my T-chart I made up here, gain is on the positive side, so I put a plus sign above the word. And yes, I would do that even on my homework just to get an idea, get it written out for me. So my integer would be plus 46 or 46 by itself, because you don't necessarily need the positive sign for the word for positive 46. Now, if I added the category, which would be yards, it would be wrong because they want the integer, not the entire thing. Adding this makes it not an integer anymore. They only want the number with the positive or negative sign. Let's see. 3,000 feet below sea level. Again, look for the keyword that tells you if it's positive or negative. 3,000 feet, that's going to be what I use to do my integer, so I'm going to ignore that for now. I'm not going to write feet, so I'm going to cross that part out. Below sea level. Sea level means nothing to me, so below is my word. That's going to tell me if it's positive or negative. Thinking about it, below is a negative number. So it's negative 3,000. That's it for today's lesson. If you have any questions, just write them down or comment me and we will answer them tomorrow morning. Hope you have a good night. See you tomorrow.